Welcome back to the channel, I'm Damo, and in today's pedal video I'm going to show you how you can change the rear centre brake light on a Mark II Audi TT. First thing you need to do is remove this cover from the boot catch. You can see the tabs there, use a flathead screwdriver if it's tricky. Next thing you need to do is Torx 20, there's two screws underneath the boot there, unscrew those. Next thing you need to do is your trim removal tool. You need to prise off this cover within the boot. Just ease it off gently. I'll show you some of the clips that you're dealing with here. So look at the clips there. They are fixed in. They're metal sort of retaining clips. You can see once it's removed they slide in there on the actual plastic bit. There are 10 of these in total. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's where they are positioned. That's where you need to get your tool to remove them. Use your trim removal tool in case any of them get stuck. It's quite simple, just pull them out like that. Keep going and eventually the whole thing will just pop off. With the boot trim removed, it's time to unplug the electrical connector from the existing rear centre brake light. You can see it in there, that switch there. There's a little clip tab, just push down on that and unplug it. Okay, next up you need to find the two holes either side of the boot mechanism, the two circular holes. Use your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there and unscrew the bolts. These are the bolts holding on the existing rear brake light mechanism. Be careful sliding them out, you don't want them to fall in there. Next you want to get inside the cabin and raise the rear boot spoiler. With the rear boot spoiler raised, it's time to get your pry tool out and gently ease it all the way around, shimmying up the existing rear centre brake light. Eventually you'll get a bit of purchase on it. You'll get your trim removal tool in there a little bit further and just keep gently edging it up. It's almost like leveraging it up like a little crowbar. You can see the stickiness there of the existing pad holding it in. Eventually keep going and it'll pop off like that. Now it's time to clean all of that area. So we got a handheld vac in there, got rid of all the bits of grubbiness that were in there. Then we started scraping away the existing sticky pad that was holding the old light in. We filled the holes there to stop any debris falling down there into the boot as we went. We got a bit of solvent then and just gently wiped all that remaining tackiness off from the sticker till it was completely and utterly clear. That will give us more adhesive when we put the new light, which has its own sticky pad, back in. Give it a final wipe down to finish that cleaning job off. At this point we did a quick test of the new brake light by connecting it up, make sure it works. Then we peeled off the sticker of our new brake light. This is a blacked out version of the brake light. Peel that sticker off, get ready to position it in. Once you slot it in, the sticker will hold it in place. You can push it down gently just in there to secure it into its position. Now it's time to put everything back. Get your flathead screwdriver and the bolts there, push them in, connect the electrical connector to the new brake light after you've done the bolts. That's up there in the bodywork, right up there, you can see that. Make sure the connection is clean. Then it's time to get this rear bit of trim in. Make sure all your pins are in the correct place. Remember there are 10 of them. They're all there ready, secure, ready to just clip back in, position and offer your trim up, and then just go round and just push it in gently and each of those clips will bed in. Then finally with your Torx 20, screw in those two screws underneath the trim to complete the job nearly. Remember you've got that bit of trim on the boot catch to put in, then you are job done. New Mark II Audi TT rear brake light done. Thanks for watching this pedal video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't done already, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and leave a comment below. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.